Okay, this is going to hopefully help with 11.2. Check understanding number 3. So I know it has a lot of fractions and decimals that can be a little bit confusing. So we just really want to focus on our positives and negatives here. So I can see this is broken up into 4 sections. I know when one whole thing is broken up into fourths, each section is a fourth or 0.25. So here's 0.25, 0.5, 0.75. I always think quarters. So let's try M here. So it's -2.5. So to the left, and then -3 is down. So -2.5 goes halfway between 2 and 3, and then down to 3. Didn't mean to make that mark. Down to 3. So -2.5, -3. So here is M. So got that one. Okay, so N, going -1.5, so halfway between. And then up, here's 3.5. So sometimes, it's kind of hard to see. So if I drag my mouse, it's going to make a mark, but I'll just do it anyways. So -1.5, and I need to go up, and I need to find 3.5 so I can see it's right here. And then you can just erase your marks you made. I know sometimes when you're doing it on a computer, it can be a little tricky to try and line everything up. You'll see me kind of looking really close at my computer to get these all in the right spot here. So here is N. P is -3.5. So we're going over to 3.5, and then up 3/4. So I saw a lot of kids wanting to put it all the way up to 3. Got the lights out. Okay. All the way up to 3, but it's 3/4. It's not a whole thing. So we just want to go up 1, 2, 3 sections to get to P here. And then we have Q is 0.5. So we're going to go halfway between 0 and 1, and then down -3.5. So going down to 3. Here's a quarter, 3.5. So here, what are we on? Q. And then we have R is 2 3/4. So over +2, 1/4, 2/4, 3/4. And then down 1.5 is R. So we just want to go over the right way, up and down the right way, and just think of each of these as a fourth, 2/4, 3/4, 4/4, or 75 cents, 50, 75. I didn't need to say 75 at the beginning. 25, 50, 75. Here's 100. So when we were doing this one, 3/4, that's 3/4. 75 cents is almost one whole dollar. So you just have to pay attention to those fractions and what they're cut up into.